there's just been so much in my life that's changed, and that's why I really haven't recorded or done anything, you know. But if you guys would like a life updates kind of video, just put it down in the comment box below and I'll try and get it out to you guys as fast as possible. But today is not that video. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I went from this to this. You're gonna want the weft to be free, no clips, no nothing. I actually used this extra for my ponytail when I did half up, half down. So if you guys want to see that too, just let me know. But yeah, you just need some hair, and then that's pretty much it. So let's get started. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take maybe like right here around my eyebrow arc. I'm just gonna brush back, and I kind of want, you know, perfect line. So I'm just gonna brush that over. Okay, so we got the left done. So this part, I kind of have a mohawk section just because you don't want the tracks to show through. So if I were to split this in half, this is how much hair would be left out. And then I'm just taking a tiny elastic and then I'm gonna tie that off. We have a U part. Hopefully the back is all good, you know. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna take my gel. I'm using Eco Gel Savior, and I'm gonna put all of this in my hair. Pretty much it. Everything from here down is gonna get gelled down. Big ass glob, run it through my hand, and then I'll just comb it through my hair. I'm just gonna go in with my comb and then comb it down. I'm gonna leave out these little baby hairs because, you know, you want your hairline to look natural as much as possible. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just dry my whole entire hair. So you wanna make sure that you're completely dry. You're gonna need a tint brush. This is the one that I've been using just because I've ruined all my other brushes. So I was like, let's just get a cheap one. So I'm using this one right here. You can get it from Sally's. This is the Roberts Diamond Bond Protective Shield. I'm using this over the wig cap just because I like it so much more. Using this, you can just glue the hair straight onto your hair without having to do the extra step of the wig cap. Apparently I didn't clean off the cap good enough, so it's like glued shut. So here it is. I'm just taking that and then going up to right where I parted my hair and right where the gel stopped. So here it is, and I'm just gonna get to blow drying. Okay, so now at this point, we just put on the hair, and this is 100% human hair that I have. It's 20, 18, and 16 inches all wrapped into one because I've used it a couple times already. Also, because I'm a dumbass, I, you know, am impatient. I let the glue dry on top of the lid. So I'm using the Super Hair Bond glue right here, and I'm just gonna use a spatula because the nozzle's glued shut. And I'm just gonna take this and take each weft, and I'm just gonna put the glue on top of that, and then I'm just gonna glue it onto my head. I've already pre-measured how much I need it to be so that I can line it up, and I'll show you guys. But honestly, it's literally the same thing as putting glue on an eyelash strip. I'm just putting it on the weft alone. Literally feel where I need to place it on the lowest one, place that right on my hair. That's it. Just glue that bitch on. Shit. So we got that first layer in. Now I'm just gonna continue it on and do the rest the same exact way. Same thing, I'm just gonna take the glue and then just apply it right on that weft. And with the glue, honestly, like if you get it on your skin or something, it literally just rolls off. I use 2.5 bundles, and I do have extra hair, so if I feel like I want it to be a little thicker, then I just add some more. Now that we're above my ears, I'm not gonna put it directly right here because then you're gonna see my hair like poof up over my ears. So I literally skip maybe like a finger width apart, and then that's when I start my next one. When you're doing the sides, I would not recommend going all the way to right where your hairline is, because that looks super fake. And if you try and put your hair behind your ear or something like I usually do, you're gonna totally see the track right here. So just go back a little bit, and then when you get up here, like I skip like this, like the outline. I'm still gonna feel where it's at, but I'm gonna go ahead and place that right there. Oops, a little far, and then just wrap it around my head like that. So now, because my track is here and my part ends like right here, I don't want to add a hair all the way up to where my hair is parted, because then once my hair is laid down, you'll be able to see the tracks, and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add maybe one more like right here, and then I'm going to stop there. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to continue on with the sides with shorter pieces like these ones. So it just bloop, 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 and that's it. I'm going to add maybe this long one right here, and then that's pretty much it, just for the back. So here, I'm just feeling right where my tracks end, and I'm just going to place that right there, but I don't want it too close to where my part is. So here, and then I'm just going to try and curve it a little bit, like almost a U shape, so that it follows the curve of my head. So I cut 4 shorter pieces, and I'm just gonna glue them right here on my head, and if I feel like I need more, I'm just gonna cut more. We got all our hair in, and pretty much that's it. I'm gonna take out this portion. It's gonna look a little funky because it's all wet and everything and braided, but I'm gonna take out this portion, and then I'm gonna style my hair. All right, so we got the curls in, and honestly at this point all we have to really do is lay this down so that it matches the rest of the hair. And so how I make this match this is I literally go back with the same eco gel. I'm gonna take the gel on top of my comb, and I'm gonna literally run this through the hair. I'm literally gonna comb it down until it's attached to another part of the hair that's not my hair, if that makes sense. So you can already tell, like, baby hairs? No baby hairs. Let me go ahead and finish the front, and I'll show you guys the back, how I do that too. I'm literally feeling right where my track's at, and I'm just gonna comb it down. Don't know if you guys can see this, but shit. And I'm combing not only backwards, but also to the side, because I have a cowlick back there, and I don't want it to, you know, look stupid. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, makeup's done. All I have to do now is lay my edges. So I got my toothbrush here, I got the eco gel, dab that bitch up in there. Alright, let me go ahead and change, and I'll be right back. I'm back. No sleeves. Sleeves. Right, we're pretty much done. If you have any other questions, just go ahead and let me know in the comment box down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.